The Indonesian hospital is one of a few remaining centers in North Gaza that can still provide medical attention to thousands of Palestinians. But as urban attacks edge closer to the facility, that may soon change. It has recently had to cut power to its desalination plant, medical scanners, and elevators, and help ease the burden of Gaza's largest hospital, Al-Shifa, which can no longer provide care for new patients. Al-Shifa has been completely surrounded by Israeli soldiers in the past few days after suffering several attacks resulting in hundreds of civilian deaths.
The World Health Organization has managed to get in touch with the health professionals at Al-Shifa Hospital in Gaza. The situation is dire and perilous. It's been 3 days without electricity, without water, and with very poor internet, which has severely impacted our ability to provide essential care. The constant gunfire and bombings in the area have exacerbated the already critical circumstances. Tragically, the number of patient fatalities has increased significantly. Regrettably, the hospital is not functioning as a hospital anymore. The world cannot stand silent while hospitals, which should be safe havens, are transformed into scenes of death, devastation and despair. Ceasefire now.
For weeks now, doctors at Al-Shifa have warned of depleting fuel supplies, which are essential for day-to-day operations. Samira Al-Khor and her children have fled from hospital to hospital in search of safety.
If we'd stayed another 5 minutes at Al-Shifa, we would have been killed. We came here to Nasser Hospital for protection, and look, we are sitting on the roadside. There is no space for us. We are sleeping on the street.
Stories like Samira's are fueling worldwide indignation at Israel's actions in Gaza. Thousands of protesters held a rally to show their support for Palestine in Pakistan's capital, Islamabad.
We are in Pakistan, but our souls are in Palestine. As long as we are alive, our voices will be raised against Israel. We want to announce, O prized people of Palestine, O sister, O daughters, you are not alone. The entire nation of Pakistan is with you.
And the bombs keep landing. This was the scene after an Israeli airstrike in southern Gaza on Sunday. A little further south, at the border with Egypt, those fortunate enough to hold dual nationality are waiting to leave as the Rafah crossing, closed since Friday, reopened. But the vast majority, about 2/3 of Gaza's population, are internally displaced, stuck with nowhere to go. Malik, Fuda, TRT World.